something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
If I like this, I'll never like it back. I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them thing one and thing two. They are taken.
Scary.
They will give you some fun on this wet.
No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
I don't like that.
Do you hear? I saw her! Your mother! Your mother is near! So as fast as you can, think of something to do! You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2!
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I could get those things yet.
Oh dear! You did not like our game! What a shame! What a shame!
Even before, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all.
Okay, getting dizzy.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings. So, I will show you another good trick that I know.
The thingamajigger.
Then our mother came in and said to us two,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
What would you do?